Grab these Lego Star Wars Day deals before May the 4th ends. Today is May the 4th. So it's a big... imagine you've got a movie franchise that's big enough to have its own day.
It's so big.
That's crazy. If you think about it. Like, what other thing like this has a day? Like a movie that has a day. Where people actually know... I mean...
And it's reoccurring.
May the 4th.
Yeah, I can't think of another one.
It's pretty wild, actually. Who made... Did Disney have something to do with this, or was this before Disney? Create a whole day? Because it's been a lot of marketing around days. You know, they would just be like, it's Cookie Day. Today is National Cookie Day.
Every day has something, isn't it?
You didn't know it was National Dog Biscuit Day. You best be buying something.
Yeah.
It's Dentist Day. Have you gone to the dentist recently?
So dumb.
There's always a day. Did you know that, Will?
Yeah.
They got so many days. And it's all marketing. But I guess originally most of these holidays were marketing too. They're trying to get you to buy things, right? Hallmark or whoever was making the cards, they had to have all these days.
Yeah.
Valentine's Day. I mean, I'm sure there's other history to it, but you know what I'm saying.
You can't deny they're making some money off of it.
Some money to be made.
Wow, so this was a long time ago. 1979.
Ooh.
That's when the movie came out. No, the phrase existed. But on May 2nd, 2019, the state of California legislature voted and officially declared Star Wars Day. It really started to take off like recently. I knew that was recent. I'm sure the saying was out there, but anyway, everybody's got a day trying to market. Mo, you can have your own day. Just pick one. Pick one that nothing else is on. Oh, right, you can't find one because there's something on every day. Anyway, Lego and Star Wars have had such a beautiful relationship. My God. Not just on the actual product, but even the video games and everything else. They go hand in hand, Lego and Star Wars.
They just released a new Star Wars game.
Yeah.
Lego.
Oh, yeah. Yeah.
It's crazy.
No, those games are actually kind of cool. Like,
yeah, they're still going.
I played a few of those games. They're kind of cool. Anyway, so they're having special deals. You get the Millennium Falcon. Some of the Star Wars Legos are the most advanced.
Oh, yeah, they look really cool. Like look at that one.
Millennium Falcon, Death Star, but most pieces and most complex, you're working on for days.
Yes.
I'm trying to remember which is which, but they because they assume there's adult Star Wars fans as well.
Well, think about it. Like
look, that Millennium Falcon right there is 1,351 pieces. How long is it going to take you, Mo?
Yeah, that's going to take too long.
Yeah, you save $32.
Okay.
On Amazon. That's the one, I think. That's like the benchmark for serious Lego challenge.
This is, yeah.
I think so. 1,351 pieces?
Mm-hmm.
How long do you really think if it was your mission for, like, you're just...
I think it's hard for me to judge. I do puzzles with Nash, and we do, like, 1,000-piece puzzles, and they take about a week for us to do. Again, we're doing them on and off, so it's like an hour here, an hour there. If this is... And that's 1,000 pieces, 1,300. I don't know, maybe like 10 hours minimum.
It's a different
challenge too.
It's
Yeah.
3D.
Yeah.
And you do have the instruction.
Which is more helpful than not having the instructions.
You have the instruction, but it's actually kind of hard. This type of graphic stuff, actually, I find really intriguing.
Okay.
How to draw something in 3D space when you only have a 2D paper.
Yeah.
That a person can quickly look at it and know the orientation. It's like one of those moments where you're building the IKEA furniture and you realize the thing was flipped and you undo it and have to do it back. Imagine having to come up with these graphics.
Yes, that have to be so precise and so like they sometimes will circle little portions and be like, this has to be closest to you. And now continue following the instructions.
But it can be subtle. It's like, oh, that hole was on the outside versus the inside. And that's something that can happen that isn't going to happen with a puzzle. You're not going to have to go back and take a bunch of pieces apart because the one was inserted the wrong way around. But that can happen with Lego. So you basically have to get really good at reading their graphic style.
It's like a isometric
That's right.
style.
I would not want to be tasked with having to draw these because it's critical. These drawings are incredibly critical. They're almost medical, like as if you were drawing a procedure or something.
Yeah, very precise.
So precise.
Yeah.
But yeah, you have the same issue at IKEA. So anyway, which one would you go for, Will? Which one do you like out of these ones if you had to do a challenge yourself? Because these all look pretty tough.
You know what? I always wanted an AT-AT.
That's a cool one.
Which is the big boy.
My kids have done that one, the TIE Fighter below.
Okay.
I don't know how many pieces that is. They've done that. They've done the X-Wing. I don't think they did the Millennium. They never... Oh, they did the Vader head.
Okay.
Now that I think about it. But they never graduated to the Millennium Falcon, 1,300 piece. Whatever it was. Anyway, yeah, if you guys want one of those challenges, I guess now's a good time. You get the deal for today only.
Yeah, go check out Amazon.
Oh, by the way, I think there's more than one Millennium Falcon. So check it out when you go to buy it.
I think this is the US and the UK.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
That's the only difference?
I think so.
Okay, good. Thank you, Will.
What is the driver's seat on the other side? Little joke
Maybe.
for Will.
That's a good one. I like that one. Thanks, Mo.
In space?
Yeah.
Driving on the right-hand side of space? Lanes in space? Well, I mean, it is, especially since the origin of that is jousting.
Right. Yeah.
Jousting in your car? That's right.
It makes just as much sense.
Imagine car jousting.
Yeah.
It's actually pretty wild to think.
Is that your window?
It's kind of nutty.